Okay, so these are some quick notes on how to plot a point on our coordinate grid. So as you can remember, plotting points, we always do it on the XY axis. If you don't remember, the X axis is our sideways line, the horizontal line, and you can see I labeled that X axis right there. Our Y axis is our up and down line, or our vertical line. So pretty much anytime you're given a coordinate point, like how it looks down here, that means it's going to be in parentheses. There's going to be two numbers. The first number is always your X number, and your X number tells me how far left or right I'm moving. So how do I know whether I'm supposed to move left or right? Well, if it's a negative number, then you're going to move to the left. If it's a positive number, you're going to move to the right. The second number is always your Y number, and that's going to tell you whether you're going to move up or down. So that's also going to depend on whether it's a positive or negative number. So if it's a negative number, that means you're going to move down that many. And if it's a positive number, that means you're going to move up that many. So we're going to do one example of plotting a point together. So when I look at, it says plot the point 4, -1. So my first number, my X number, I see is 4. And is it a positive or negative number? Well, this one's a positive number, so that tells me I should be moving 4 to the right. And I always start from my origin, which is this point in the middle where the X and the Y cross. So I would start counting from here 4 spaces to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then that's not my final destination because I have another number. So my second number is always my Y number. And is it positive or negative? Well, I can see the negative sign right there. So that means negative means I'm going to move down that many. So from here where I already counted 4 to the right, now I'm going to count 1 down. And that is my final point. That's my final answer. That is where the point is plotted.